Hello. Welcome everyone for the another exciting video with the powerful on-demand newly launched product SurvAI. Today we are not going to show how it works or demo for that, because there are already hours of videos are posted in the official pages. If you want, check it out in the link description. Today we are going to see why this product and how it will better that market's best product in survey generation products like SurveyMonkey, SoGo Survey, Survet Gizmo and LimeSurvey. And the best thing is this software is only one-time payment, not to pay for monthly charges. That sounds interesting. Let's dive into the video to explore more about this software. This is the sales page of this product. Let's see what they provides better than other products like SurveyMonkey. Here author starts with the easiest method for generating leads and converting strangers into repeat customers. Turn 2 simple keywords into a full-fledged lead generation machine. All the questions are generated by AI. Based on responses, you personalize offers. And here the thing we get inside this product. We get using a sophisticated capture leads with AI. With only one click, you can share surveys with the personalized URL anywhere. Automated, using artificial intelligence, create fascinating queries. Send qualified leads to offers depending on their responses. DFY templates, get started right away with ready-to-use survey templates. There are no downloads or installations required. Passwords and IP-level security provide strong security. Make money by providing this as a service with a free commercial license. So these are the case studies. Look it out. Check out some of these small businesses that made IT big using surveys. Here they shares the survey results from SurveyMonkey. 91% of people believe that companies should fuel innovation by listening to buyers and customers, compared to only 31% who think they should hire a team of experts. SurveyMonkey, 2019. And now here are the 3 simple steps they describe to create simple survey using artificial intelligence. Step 1, enter the keyword. Step 2, select questions. Step 3, publish and profit just with 3 simple steps. And here's some screenshots. And for more leads, more sales and for more impact, we need only one. That is survey about particular niche, or the particular buyers or customers we are targeting in. And here this offers 2 ways. 1. You can hear what marketing guru says to advertise your products blindfoldedly, and waste money on the marketing without laser-focused targeting or without knowing what your customers or buyers need. 2. With surveys. You promise a specific solution based on your ideal customer's unique needs and circumstance, level of experience and desire. With personalized premise. Because survey helps to unfold all the likes and desires of your customers. So choice is yours. Now what are the mistakes people or marketers make while using this survey? Mistake 1.